2, 3, 4.
Hi. My name is Audrey Martin. I'm a Girl Scout with Troop 1022 in the heart of Central California. And welcome to Operation Vegetation. Cool name, right? Thanks. Made it myself. Now, I will be the first to say, I am not the best cook. But I've made it my mission this year to learn how to cook vegetables in ways that I'd actually want to eat. And I'm here to share that journey with you. And hopefully, through my mishaps and eventual successes, you can learn with me. So, let's go! Before everything, you have to wash and prepare the veggies, which I didn't get footage of, but here they are. For my sauté, I have spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, onions, mushrooms, kale, and carrots. You can use any veggies you want, though. If you're cooking canned veggies, be sure to rinse and dry them well first. I am starting out with carrots because they take the longest to cook. I will link the website that I use to estimate my cooking times down in the description. After I give the carrots about 2 minutes to get started cooking, I add in the onions, and the cauliflower. Then, I let it cook for about another 2 minutes before adding in the broccoli. I'm making sure to keep scraping everything, keep moving it so the smaller things like the onions don't burn against the pan. Let it cook for another minute, then add the mushrooms. I then let that cook down for around 4 minutes, and then I added in my greens, my kale and my spinach. Let that cook for about another 2 minutes. And then add my salt, my pepper. You can add any other spices that you like, but I'm keeping it simple just for now. And then you're done. Okay, so yeah. Can you give me a thumbs up?